Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Emma, the English podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hey, everyone. How are you doing today?
Before we start, quick question for you. Do you understand English but still feel like you can't speak naturally?
Or maybe you speak, but it sounds too basic.
If yes, then today's episode is going to help you a lot.
But before we jump in, make sure you follow the podcast, like this episode, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Because today's topic is one of the most important things in spoken English.
Phrasal verbs.
And trust me, this is where many learners get confused.
Very confused.
Okay, Jack, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
Why do learners hate phrasal verbs?
Simple answer?
Yes?
Because they don't make sense.
Exactly.
Like give up, take off, run into. What does that even mean?
Yes, if you translate word by word, it becomes very confusing.
But native speakers use phrasal verbs all the time.
All the time.
So if you want to sound natural,
You must learn phrasal verbs.
but don't worry,
We will make it easy, fun, and practical.
no boring grammar.
Only real-life English.
First, what is a phrasal verb?
Good question. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a small word like up, on, off, out.
And together, they create a new meaning.
Exactly.
Let's take a simple one. Wake up.
Wake means open your eyes.
But wake up means stop sleeping.
Example, I wake up at 7 every day.
Very common.
Repeat, wake up.
Good.
Now next, get up.
It means leave your bed.
Example, I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:30.
See the difference?
Yes, small difference, big meaning.
Next, turn on.
It means start something like a device.
Example, turn on the light.
Opposite, turn off.
Example, turn off your phone.
Sit down equals take a seat.
Example, please sit down.
Stand up equals get on your feet.
Example, stand up and speak.
Okay, now let's make it fun.
Yes, please.
Hey, Jack, wake up.
I don't want to get up.
Get up now. Turn on the light.
Okay, I'm getting up. Don't shout. This is exactly how real English sounds.
Yes, simple, natural, real. Go out. Go out means leave home for fun. Example, I'm going out tonight.
Come back means return. Example, come back home early.
Find out. Find out means discover information. Example, I found out the truth.
Give up means stop trying. Example, don't give up.
Look for. Look for means try to find. Example, I'm looking for my keys.
Look after means take care of. Example, she looks after her family.
Okay, now I want to ask our listeners something.
Yes.
Do you already use any of these phrasal verbs?
Or do you feel confused?
Don't worry, that's normal.
Don't try to memorize 100 phrasal verbs in one day,
Learn slowly. Use them daily.
because using is more important than memorizing.
Yes, because now we move from simple phrasal verbs to the ones that really make your English sound natural.
The kind of English you hear in movies, real conversations, daily life.
Exactly. And honestly, this is the level where learners start sounding confident.
All right, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
Do you remember when you first learned phrasal verbs?
Oh, yes, and I was confused.
Same here.
Because sometimes the meaning is not logical at all.
Exactly, like break down.
Yes, let's start with that. Break down can mean stop working.
Like a machine.
Example, my car broke down on the way to work.
But it can also mean emotional collapse.
Yes.
Same phrasal verb, two meanings.
This is why learners get confused.
But don't worry, context helps.
Next one, run into. It means meet someone unexpectedly.
You didn't plan it, it just happened. Similar idea, come across.
It means find something by chance. Example, I came across an interesting book yesterday. Hey, guess what? I ran into Sarah yesterday.
Oh, really? Where?
At a cafe, and I also came across a great book there.
See? That sounds so natural. Next one, very important. Figure out.
It means understand or solve something.
Learners use this all the time.
Point out means show or highlight something. Example, she pointed out my mistake.
Now this one is very interesting. Work out.
Yes, it has multiple meanings.
Meaning 1, exercise.
Example, I work out at the gym.
Meaning 2, solve something.
Example, we worked out the problem.
Meaning 3, result. Example, everything worked out well.
This is a powerful phrasal verb.
Once I told someone, I'm working out my problem.
And they thought you were at the gym, right?
Exactly. That's the beauty of phrasal verbs.
Next, give in. It means stop resisting. Accept defeat. Example, I didn't want to go, but I finally gave in.
Hold on. It means wait. Example, hold on, I'll be there in a minute.
Keep on equals continue. Example, keep on practicing. You know, I feel like phrasal verbs are everywhere.
Yes, once you notice them, you hear them all the time. In movies, in songs, in conversations, even in this podcast.
Next, bring up. It means mention a topic. Example, he brought up an interesting idea.
Take over. It means take control. Example, she took over the company.
Come up with. It means think of an idea. Example, he came up with a great plan. Okay, we need a new idea for our podcast.
Give me a minute. I'll come up with something.
Okay, but don't take too long.
Look up to. It means respect or admire someone. Example, I look up to my teacher.
Look down on. Opposite. Disrespect. Example, don't look down on others.
Get along. It means have a good relationship. Example, they get along very well.
Do you get along with your family?
Yes, I really do. I look up to my parents.
That's beautiful.
I feel like I'm starting to understand something.
What?
Phrasal verbs are not just vocabulary.
They are real communication.
Yes, they make your English sound alive.
Exactly. Don't try to learn everything at once.
Focus on 5 to 10 phrasal verbs.
Use them in your daily sentences.
Speak them, repeat them, live them.
Now we're moving into the level where your English starts to sound really natural, almost like a native speaker.
And honestly, this is where most learners struggle.
Exactly. Not because the words are difficult, but because the meanings are flexible.
And sometimes emotional too.
Yes, phrasal verbs are not just language, they're feelings, reactions, real-life situations.
All right, challenge me.
Okay, let's see how many phrasal verbs you can understand in a real situation.
I'm ready.
Okay, imagine this. You planned a full day, but everything starts going wrong.
That already sounds like my Monday.
Listen carefully. I woke up late, rushed out, and then my car broke down, so I had to call off my meeting. Later, I tried to fix things, but nothing worked out. I felt like giving up.
Wow, that sentence is full of phrasal verbs.
Exactly. Let's break it naturally.
Rushed out means you left quickly.
Good.
Broke down means stopped working.
Yes.
Call off means cancel something.
Perfect.
Worked out means had a good result.
Exactly.
And give up means stop trying.
See? You already understand so much.
But when learners hear this fast, they get lost.
Yes, because they try to translate word by word.
Instead of understanding the idea.
Exactly. Let's quickly highlight one. Call off. It means cancel something. Example, they called off the event.
Next one I hear a lot. Run out of. Yes, very useful. It means have no more of something.
Example, I ran out of time.
Or I ran out of money. That one hurts more.
Now, this one is very common. Catch up. It means reach the same level or talk after a long time. Example, let's catch up this weekend. We haven't talked in weeks.
I know. Let's catch up soon.
That's real English.
Next, show up. It means arrive. Example, he didn't show up to the meeting.
End up. It means finally become or result. Example, I planned to study, but I ended up watching movies.
That's too real. You know, I feel like phrasal verbs are everywhere in daily life.
Yes, and the more you listen, the more you notice them.
At first, they feel confusing,
But slowly, they become natural.
like a habit.
Exactly. Next, turn out. It means result or become. Example, the event turned out great.
Next, bring out. It means show something hidden. Example, this song brings out emotions.
Next, hold back. It means stop yourself. Example, she couldn't hold back her tears.
That one feels very real.
Yes, phrasal verbs are emotional too.
They help you express feelings naturally.
Exactly. Next, go through. It means experience something difficult. Example, he is going through a tough time.
Next, get over. It means recover from something. Example, she got over her fear.
Have you ever gone through a difficult time?
Yes, but I learned to get over it slowly.
That sounds natural. Simple, but powerful.
I think I understand something now.
What?
I think I'm understanding something now.
What?
Phrasal verbs are not about memorizing.
They're about understanding and using.
Yes, and feeling the language.
Exactly. So here's our final advice for you.
Don't try to learn everything in one day.
Pick a few phrasal verbs. Use them in your daily life. Speak them out loud.
Make mistakes and keep going. Now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments, which phrasal verb did you like the most today?
And try to use it in a sentence.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need confident English.
And you've been listening to Talk Emma, the English podcast. Keep learning, keep practicing,
And keep showing up. Bye, everyone.